nothing but drama, drama, drama. Call it what you want.
Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do the Foxy eye look. It's super fierce, it's really in right now. It's just adding a wing at the end of your eye and then a little inner corner line action. You don't need a lot of products to achieve this look. You would never expect the tiniest line to just add the biggest difference to your eyes. I already have my base done. My base consists of concealer, blush, a little bit of contour, and my eyebrows are already done. Other than that, I have nothing else on my face. I hate foundation with a passion. I don't like it on me personally. To start off with this look, I'm going to take this Soap X Revolution palette by Makeup Revolution. You can find this brand at Ulta. It's extremely cheap. And I got this palette probably about a year ago, and I use it all the time. I'm going to start with this color called Cookie Dough. And I'm going to take it on a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. This color matches my skin and it just creates a smooth base, so there's no veins on my eyelids or anything. I have my base on my lids. I'm going to go in with Cheesecake. It's like a terracotta color, and I'm just putting it on the edge of my brush, and I'm just going to put that in my crease just to add some depth. Now on to the liner. I'm going to go in with Brownies first, which is dark brown color. Lightly just go out with this color. It's really easy to line the eyes with an eyeshadow and an angled brush. And then I'm going to do that to the other side. Okay, so now that the wings are done, I'm going to go in with Brownies again, over my tear duct and go straight into and bring it into my lash line. I'm going to take this black eyeshadow called Reputation and just line my eyes. And I'm going to do the same with the inner corners, just adding a touch of black. Now that the liner is done, I'm going to add mascara. I take this Kevin Aucoin eyelash curler. I'm going to use my favorite lash combo, which is this Clinique High Impact Mascara. It's really black, it elongates the lashes, it lasts a long time, and I don't get black flakes underneath my eyes. I hate when mascara flakes off for this look, since my wing is just exaggerated and it's just going upwards and I want to lift everything. I'm going to take my mascara wand and I'm going to sweep in the way of the wing. And the same for the second eye. And then I'm going to finish it off with this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Another great mascara. This one's drugstore. And it just adds boldness to the lashes. They work really well together, holding the curl. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super simple. Let me know if you like me talking over and explaining. I don't know if I did the best job explaining, but we'll see. Or if you like me to just stick with videos that just have text written over. I don't know, just let me know. Have a good day guys. Oh, and happy Easter.